Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an After Effects like video quality on the CapCut mobile. So here what you need to do is add your clips, and then first go to adjust and follow this setting. So for the brightness, lower it to -5. Then contrast, increase it to 11. Saturation -11. Then exposure, increase it to 5. Make a sharpness of your video into 100. Then click on highlight and increase it to 11. Then the temperature -11. And then set the hue to 15 and add some fade effect around 27. Okay, click on a check icon, and then you need to go to the video effect. Click on the light effect category. And then find the horizontal flash effect. Okay, this one. And adjust the glow 100, range only 19. The blur just leave it as it is, or you can just lower it like this. And then the intensity 0. I'm going to just make the blur to 0, and then the speed to around 30. Okay, now you can just go back, click on a check icon, and add another effect to the clip. Add the edge glow effect. You can find it on the lens category. Okay, edge glow, and make it around 13. Okay, click on a check icon and make it for the whole clips. And the last effect that you need to add is the black flash effect that you can find under the nightclub category. This one. Adjust the speed to 100 and intensity 13. Okay, I'm going to just lower the size and twist. Okay, click on a check icon, and now you just need to add this overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay, and add this overlay right here. Okay, just fit the size, and then click on blend, overlay, and make it around 50. And you are done, and this video will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, click on a thanks, and like. Bye.